Rain and possible flooding are on the way for parts of central and southeast Australia, driven by severe thunderstorms and tropical moisture. We can see that moisture in our satellite imagery. This is our water vapour satellite imagery, which gives us an indication of where moisture is moving in the atmosphere. The green and blue colours you see in this imagery indicate higher moisture levels, and we can see streams of higher moisture moving across those central and southeastern parts of the country at the moment. That moisture is feeding into any showers or storms that do develop at the moment. We can see them spreading across those central and southeastern parts of the country, fairly patchy but also fairly persistent, and that's going to be the story of the next few days. Patchy rainfall but persistent rainfall ongoing across a number of days. Our thunderstorm forecast for today does show that storms are possible across broad stretches of the country. Northern, central and southeastern Australia could all see thunderstorms today. But it's our yellow and red areas on this map indicating where severe storms are possible, if not likely, that we really want to focus in on. Those severe storm areas include parts of Central Australia, South Australia, not including Adelaide though, but including parts of the Adelaide Hills and areas further to the southeast, with severe storms also possible through southern inland New South Wales and eastern Victoria. Now, any severe storms could bring us heavy rainfall that could lead to flash flooding. Damaging wind gusts and large hail are also possible, especially with storms further inland, but heavy rainfall is the primary risk with severe storms today. Now, our key severe storm area is this red area through eastern Victoria, spilling back into the Riverina of New South Wales. In this area, severe storms are likely through the course of today and may in fact bring intense rainfall, which is a lot of rain falling in a short space of time. It's this kind of rain that can really overwhelm our drainage systems and lead to flash flooding as water moves over the roads. And that's certainly a key hazard on the cards for today, which could quickly lead to dangerous driving conditions with water moving over roads and reduced visibility in that rain. Of course, rain and strong winds can also bring down trees and branches, so be on the watch for that one as well. Now, how much rainfall are we expecting through the course of today? This is our rainfall totals to the end of Tuesday, and we can see that they're fairly patchy across those central and southeast parts of Australia. In the areas where we're expecting the most rainfall, which is through northern South Australia, the Eyre Peninsula and through eastern Victoria, we could see fairly widespread totals of 15 to 30 millimetres. But those highest rainfall totals will depend on where the storms move and could be significantly more than that range. Taking a look at tomorrow's thunderstorm forecast, we can see that storms are once again possible across broad stretches of northern and eastern Australia, with severe storms possible through parts of the north, Queensland, New South Wales, and of course the southeast as well. Most notably for tomorrow, severe storms are possible across the Melbourne area. So Melbourne is at risk of seeing those heavy downpours and flash flooding through the course of tomorrow. Severe storms are likely once again through northeastern Victoria. Now, in terms of flood watches and warnings, currently our only flood products are across southern inland parts of Queensland. However, as we see this rain and storm activity over the next few days, further flood watches and warnings may be issued, particularly through southern parts of the Northern Territory and through northeastern parts of Victoria. Communities in those areas should keep a close eye on the Bureau's forecast and warnings page in case we do need to issue any flood alerts for those areas. In fact, anyone across the central and southeastern parts of Australia should keep a close eye on the Bureau's website in case we need to issue any warnings over the next few days. You can also find those updates via the Bureau's app or via our social media. Stay safe and we'll catch you next time.